If you work in Microsoft Word every day, learning a few simple keyboard shortcuts for selecting text can save you a massive amount of time. Instead of dragging your mouse across a paragraph or trying to highlight text by hand, you can use quick shortcuts to select exactly what you need in just a second. In this video, I'll show you how to use keyboard shortcuts to select text in Microsoft Word step by step, from selecting one character at a time all the way to selecting the entire document. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy word tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to work on. Place your cursor exactly where you want to begin selecting text. That starting point matters because all of these shortcuts will expand the selection from wherever your cursor is currently located. If you want to select text character by character, hold down Shift and use the left arrow or right arrow keys. Each press will highlight one character at a time, which is perfect when you only need a small adjustment or want to select just a few letters. This is one of the fastest ways to make precise selections without touching the mouse. Next, if you want to select text word by word, hold Ctrl and Shift together, then press the left arrow or right arrow key. This will jump the selection one word at a time instead of one character at a time. It's especially useful when you need to highlight entire words quickly, like editing a sentence, copying a phrase, or changing a specific line of text. If you want to select everything from your current cursor position back to the beginning of the line, hold Shift and press Home. Word will highlight all the text between your cursor and the start of that line. This is a great shortcut when you only want to edit or delete part of a line without selecting anything extra. If you want to select from your cursor position to the end of the line, hold Shift and press End. This instantly highlights everything from where your cursor is placed to the far right end of that line. That makes it easy to remove the rest of a sentence, copy the remaining text, or format a section quickly. Now, if you need to select a larger section of your document, hold Ctrl and Shift, then press Home. This shortcut selects everything from your current cursor position all the way to the beginning of the document. It's extremely useful when you want to copy a large block of text or move back to the top of the file in one step. On the other hand, if you want to select from your current cursor position to the very end of the document, hold Ctrl and Shift, then press End. Word will highlight everything from your cursor down to the end of the file. This is perfect for quickly selecting a long document section, especially when working with reports, articles, or notes. And if you want to select the entire document at once, simply press Ctrl and A. This is one of the most useful shortcuts in Microsoft Word because it instantly highlights all of the text in the file. Whether you're copying, formatting, deleting, or moving everything in the document, Ctrl+A is the fastest method. The key thing to remember is that these shortcuts work based on where your cursor is placed, so always click in the correct spot first before using them. Once you get used to them, these keyboard shortcuts can make your editing much faster, smoother, and more professional. No more dragging, no more wasted time, and no more awkward mouse movements. Just quick, accurate text selection right from your keyboard. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.